back to my channel. Welcome 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 back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jameia. For those of you that are new, to my returning subscribers, returning glamour baddies, welcome back to another freaking video. So y'all, I just pulled up at the grocery store. I just pulled up at Walmart. I needed to get some things for dinner. We are in our mid-week, so it is the mid-meal week, and I'm going to make some chicken quesadillas. So I needed to stop here at the grocery store, Walmart, to get, I'm actually going to two stores. I'm going to Walmart and I'm going to Kroger. So I'm going to Walmart to get the main things for the quesadilla. However, I go to Kroger's for my produce and all that. And what we're eating with our quesadillas is Pico. Like, this Pico at Kroger's got me in a chokehold. I really need to learn how to make my own, which is really not that hard. So I really just need to make my own Pico, but I don't feel like doing all it today. But at the same time, I could. And it'll be more. And I wouldn't have to buy. I'm thinking about it. I think that's what I'm going to do. Might as well just go ahead and get the ingredients for the Pico, make it myself, and then we can have more. I think that's a good idea instead of just buying 2 packs. Because what I was going to do was buy 2 packs because me and my boyfriend, we go in on this Pico. It's so good. And last time I got it, I got 1 pack and I actually got mild. But it wasn't giving like I wanted it to. I should have just got medium like I did the time before that. It was a little kick to a little spice, and I actually enjoyed it now that I've had the mild. So the medium is what's up. So I'm thinking I really should go ahead and make the Pico. I think I am. Now I just sat here and said it. So anyways, I'm about to go into Walmart, get some of the things. Like, is it just me, or am I the only person that like compares prices when it comes to grocery stores? Like, I feel like sometimes stuff at Walmart be cheaper than at Kroger. So, but I still shop at both. I don't know. I still shop at both. Whatever. But I'm going to go in Walmart to go get some of the main ingredients. I wanted to go ahead and start my intro and take you all along with me. Yes, I'm in the same shirt, y'all. I'm just bringing content, so it's low-key the same day. Early in the day. But anyway, from the last video. But let's go ahead and head into the store so I can get home and cook. But now I really think I want to go ahead and make my own Pico. So I'm about to go look at an ingredient, look at Pinterest or something to make sure I have to get all the ingredients written down, and then go from there. So I'll see y'all soon. Heading inside of Walmart. Y'all know the sign. Wally Mart, Wally World, whatever you call it. Walmart. Need to get me a cart. Y'all, I hope it ain't too crowded in here. It'll be crowded. Overwhelmingly. Hi. Father's Day is coming up, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my son's card from his, that's gonna be from him to his dad. I've already got mine, but yeah, I should have bought him, but I know it's gonna be busy just on the weekend, so I was just like, let me just go ahead. So if you're watching this, I know you are, sorry, but yeah, whatever. Oh, this is cute. This one might be having music and stuff going on, y'all, so I'm probably gonna have some music to go over this in the background. Not a fake shout, but they be talking on Walmart radio and all that. Okay guys, so I am back home and I'm about to start making the pico. So like I said, when I was at the store, we are eating pico and quesadillas tonight, chicken quesadillas. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my pico so everything could be soaking in, you know, and I can put it in the refrigerator. It's gonna be absolutely chef's kiss. So stay tuned for this pico. So I'm gonna be the taste tester. Hopefully it's good. I feel like, I know I could have chopped these tomatoes a little finer, but I need a chopper. It's really not that spicy how I want it. So then I'm gonna go ahead and do, let me try one more before I say. It's really not that spicy. So I think I'm adding another jalapeno and some more cilantro. But just a second. And I'm gonna let it soak in and then try again too. Okay guys, so I cut up the chicken, cut all the nasty pieces off or whatever. I'm now going to season, not too much, you know. I don't season as much as I used to now that my son eats basically everything that we eat because he's of age. So I try to slow down, but my food still be seasoned. But if you look at my previous videos, I used to season the hell out of my food. So I don't really do a lot of hot stuff on the stuff that he can eat, you know. But I do season. I don't leave it bland. So I got my skillet over there, warm it up. We love garlic. And this is the best garlic, Kinder's garlic salt. Absolutely amazing. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw a little paprika on there too. I'm gonna use my tongs to flip the chicken over. It's 2 pieces, but that's okay. This is the closest thing I could get to a knife. There, and it did just what I needed it to. So flip the chicken over so I can season both sides of the chicken. All right, so the chicken is about done. I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up into, shred it up and then start the quesadillas. And then it'll be dinner time, which will take no time. So let me go ahead and get started, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I ended up finishing dinner, making the quesadillas and the pico. I'll insert a picture, but the pico really didn't turn out how I wanted. I know I need a chopper. Y'all's probably seen in the video. Don't be talking about me. I do need a chopper, so the tomatoes weren't as fine as I wanted them to be, but I'm still gonna eat it. I still ate it. I'm full. I just got done washing dishes, straightening up my son's toys and everything. So I'm about to take a shower and get ready for bed. I'm ready to chill, unwind, and yeah. So if this is the end of the vlog, I don't know yet. I might take that along with me, but if not, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend or family member, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.